Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to post an actual video on Instagram that doesn't come as a real format from scratch using the Instagram app. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and I should mention, like I said at the start of this video, that this is only something that you can do on the Instagram app on your phone, as if you were to try to do this on PC, so if I were to click on create, like so, and you're to post, it's pretty much the same deal. The only thing is that the videos that are imported from PC won't always be uploaded to Instagram successfully. And the reason for that is because of file formatting. And really, the best way to post an actual video on Instagram is through your phone. And the reason for that is because Instagram, the app itself, was made for mobile use. So this way, the integration for uploading media files like videos or pictures is more seamless compared to PC. Now, when you guys get to upload a video on Instagram, and you want to make sure it's not a reel, right? So it's not cut into segments, or it's not flagged as, or I should say labeled as a reel, you would need to meet a certain standard for it to be counted as a video. So the only standard and the only criteria for that is you have to make sure that the video is more than 15 minutes. So there's no other way to actually set the upload as detect as video or detect as reel. The only way to really do it is to make sure that you upload a 15-minute or more video. And that's really all it takes. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.